Good morning again. Hello. Good morning, Teresa.
Morning.
We are parked at a slightly different place this morning. We've had to walk past the pool because somebody's pinched me space last night.
Fancy that.
Not happy about that. I think it's because we did come back a little bit later, so yeah, that's probably why. So we are today half in it, and we are going to park in Hollywood Studios. We are going to bus it to Animal Kingdom. We're going to do safari in it, and we're going to try and get on dinosaur. Don't think we're going to do Yeti. And then we're going to do a little bit around Animal Kingdom, and then we're going to come back to Hollywood Studios. So we've arrived at Hollywood Studios, parked up all the way down to the bottom, which I'm not happy about. We're going to get on the tram, busing it to Animal Kingdom, and we're going to try and get on the safari, do a couple of rides.
Another full day, another unique day of memories.
Another full-on day. Here we come. Well, guess where I am again? Queen of the bus. Queen of the bus. So we've had to do a bit of a jig of a plan. We are doing the lodge first. We're going to have a little look around there for a little bit, and then we'll get a bus to Animal Kingdom from the hotel, and then we will have a look around there, and then from the hotel we'll do a bus to Animal Kingdom, and we'll have to do it that way. Right, okay. Here goes Ange.
Keep going.
Here goes Ange.
Keep forward.
Woo!
Have another half lips.
Yes. I'd probably say so. Yeah, you can go. This is probably the point where it's like classed as like the look over bridge. So that's where you would stand to look out over like all of the. Yeah.
We're going back across.
Yeah, I won't be standing, but you can certainly stand.
Oh yeah.
You can stand. Yeah. Just do a film on the other side. I can feel my feet and my legs going like really fun. Oh, it's just totally like, yeah. Of course it is.
Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think I was supposed to be doing a bit of video in here, but I've got way late again. That's a little bit like me vacation club t-shirt that I got in the Polynesian. I do like that one as well. That's a really nice t-shirt. Ah, hang on. That's lovely. Oh, that's nice. I do like that one. She's like a kid in a sweet shop when she's in here. She's actually worse than me.
Oh, they're look at them, they're nice, aren't they? How much are they?
18?
Yeah, but they're
that's
lovely.
Not bad though, actually. That could sit on like your table and stuff.
I know, gorgeous.
I like them. All your little trinkets. I like that t-shirt. That's nice.
They're 25 as well.
Nah,
So
I like the other ones up there.
One, yeah,
like the
yeah,
bigger, cheaper
And that's
ones.
a nice basket.
There's like the turtles and stuff. I wouldn't get the snake. That's fabulous, that.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
I love that.
So different.
I like the turtles, but I don't like the snake.
How are you?
Hi, you alright?
Oh,
Hi.
congratulations.
Thank you. I survived it. First one and I survived
really?
it. Yeah, first one I've ever done, so
That's awesome.
yeah, it was really
Was it
good.
fun?
It was,
Yeah.
it was a really good experience.
Oh, good. I'm
Yeah,
glad.
so yes,
So next
I'd even
time
say I'd do it again actually now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You will actually. So we're done in Animal Kingdom Lodge. We are now heading over to Animal
And I
Kingdom.
got a lovely magnet as well, beautiful.
I did.
Really nice.
Got me magnet, me memory of Animal Kingdom Lodge, because I haven't seen it in the park. So that's why I like coming to the hotels, because you do get different things to purchase, which is nice. Different memories of where you've been, and yeah, so that's good. So we are going to go and wait for a bus, which shouldn't be too long. It'll be on the timetable, and we shall probably see you on the other side in Animal Kingdom and heading for our little safari. Another journey down.
Another journey again.
Another hotel down. Another hotel down.
Hey, what a rep you are.
So just getting off the bus from Animal Kingdom Lodge, and we are now walking through the bus depot to get into Animal Kingdom. What we're going to do is we're going to head straight for the safari. We will do that first, and then what we're going to do is I think we're going to head down for, we're doing Pandora.
Yeah.
Possibly heading down for Pandora. Hopefully I'd like to get to see Dinosaur done as well, because I like that ride. So yeah, fingers crossed. So where are we, Teresa?
Going to the animals.
On the safari. We're getting on the safari.
Make sure everyone is seeing they cannot leave until
safari. She's just going to stand and take a photo of that. So, did you like that?
Wonderful.
Did
Lovely
it-
to
did
see all
it
them animals.
Think you
Oh,
of like
yeah, in
nearly,
Africa.
almost,
Nearly
nearly but not. But
nearly, but not yet.
nearly but not.
You have to
but
physically be
close.
there to be there.
Yeah, you do have
but
to
they've
be
made
there.
it wonderful, like it, and all the animals.
Yeah.
To
And-
see them hippopotamuses, and the lions, everything.
And the
beautiful.
jerrys.
On the jerrys,
And the
aye.
jerrys, and the
the
jerrys.
ostriches.
Yes. So
Wonderful,
we're going to head
wonderful.
up to
Pandora, is it?
Dock. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur, right?
Dinosaur for
Fine.
you know what.
Yeah.
Yes. Hush hush.
Hush, hush.
Hush hush. You know
all
what.
that, aye.
Yes. Yeah. So we're going to head up that way, and then we'll see what's what. Yeah, well, we're having a bit of a flush here.
Wonderful.
It's just
Great hot.
absolutely divine in here.
Gorgeous.
I've never been in Animal Kingdom when it is this hot.
Yeah.
It is just scorching. So we're having a little tool a bit further along in Dino. Tough to be a bug.
Oh yeah, that'd be good.
Do that one under the
we
tree.
can, yeah.
We'll do that. See if we can do that one as well. That'd be canny. Shops. I haven't seen any of the monkeys that I got the other day.
Oh yeah.
I haven't seen them yet, so not that I'm getting another one, of course, by any means. Oh, nice breeze. That breeze is lovely. The trees. Oh, they're back out. Don't proper hear them. Don't know where they are. They're up there somewhere. They're up there somewhere. There it is, in that where we stood. Where we stood along there. That's where we sat the other night.
Yeah.
That's where we sat the other night. And we did rivers. We've come into the restaurant where we've come into with Steve and Nathan, and it's just the one down from Dinosaur. But us being us, and the bit spontaneity that we normally do, and because we're quite childlike anyway, we decided that we're just going to get a kids menu, but we weren't actually banking on what was going to happen. Bucket and speed. Where are we going to use the bucket and speed? In here, in Animal Kingdom. I mean, really? But the food's canny.
Food's lovely.
We got chicken wrap, didn't we? She's in the toppings bar. She's in the toppings bar with the gherkins and the pickles and the jalapenos. I know Nathan would have been here. And apple slices, the drink, chicken wrap, and some kind of thingy or the milk. I've got no idea what it is, but yeah, a bit random. As you can tell now, when she's in the dinosaur, starting in the line as we go through. We reckoned it was about 40 minutes, which isn't too bad. We stood in longer queue, so we're just doing a bit of a show thingy around and dinosaur in the middle. I think Bill Nye the Science Guy has just come on, I think.
In T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We gotta get in, grab your blind on, and get out on the alleyway cats. Let's roll. Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Dinosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on any signal now. Computer, full stop. Identify. Not our dino. Go, go, go! Incoming!
Impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going. Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
One meteor thrust.
Evasive maneuver! Run! Computer, now what?
Contours.
That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Pentagon.
Get them out now!
Absolute impact.
Brace yourself! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it!
Well, we've just come out of Dinosaur.
Fab. Really good ride.
Truth, I like Dinosaur. I finally get on it.
Popcorn.
Since I didn't get on it in 2015 after I'd been on Yeti, and I felt too ill to go on anything else, so I had to sit on the outside whilst I waited for Steve and Nathan to come off. That was not clever. That's why I don't do Yeti. So she's munching. She's munching on the snacks that were supposed to be being kept for tonight.
Do you want any, Angela?
No, it's fine, it's fine. But I think when we're going to try and go and do It's Tough to Be a Bug under the tree, and we're going to have a little look at Pandora.
Yeah.
And
Bits of that you haven't seen, haven't we?
yeah, we think round the other side we haven't seen, so I'm going to do a little bit of a trek over there. So we're coming through into It's Tough to Be a Bug, doing like all of the through stretch, and all the animals, everything that's carved. It's just, I love it. I love it under here. It's just brilliant. It's just captured so much detail.
Amazing, isn't it?
Isn't it fab? The monkey up there.
Wait,
You've just walked, yeah.
is he following you?
Probably I. Yeah. Yeah.
Fantastic, that.
Isn't that really good? Yeah. Fab, isn't it? Okay, well, we've had more adventures. We've stood and watched some dancers, some like proper dancers, and they were doing like a bit, quite a lot of like acrobats, and as they do in Africa, as Teresa was telling us, very limbo, and they were like standing on each other's shoulders and doing dancing and just loads. So we're going to do Pandora, check out some other side of Pandora, because I think there's another side that we haven't seen.
Yeah, I think there is.
I'm sure, yeah. So we're going to go on a bit of a mission and check out Pandora a little bit more. I don't know what on we're. Thank you. Congratulations. Yeah, so we're just using the photo passes as much as we can, and don't know if there's anything out. Something will get back soon, yeah. You know what I never thought I should have done? Or I might do it tomorrow. Try and bring me bib out for the characters to sign.
Oh, that'd be good, wouldn't it?
What do you reckon?
Your number.
Me number,
Oh,
me
yeah.
bib. Especially in Magic Kingdom, and I'll have to, I don't know if Mickey will do it, but whichever, whoever character I see, I'll just do it. I'll just take me pen. Do you think, is that a good idea?
Good idea.
Mama T?
Fab idea.
Right, okay. Just on the last day,
Indeed,
with it being the last day in Magic
fab.
Kingdom, and
To
just
tie it all up for
to
you.
end it from nearly a week. Nearly a week. We will leave.
Are your legs aching?
No, they're fine actually.
Mine are.
Oh,
I've been on the run today.
how's your blisters?
They're not too bad. They're not too bad.
Our feet were killing her. Are you gonna
Keep
rub?
my eyes.
Are you gonna rub the plant to see if you can make it happy?
Go on, we'll try.
Oh, we're gonna give this a go. This will be interesting. Yes. Don't know if it'll work or not, because it wasn't working the other day properly.
Slightly.
No.
Just see a little bit. Oh,
There.
Yeah.
That's it. It's done it.
Excellent, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get wet.
Yeah. Well, you do. It's quite nice if you want a bit of a cooling. Like a very, very fine mist on the side. Yeah. Yeah. Interesting. So we seem to be doing this more towards the end of the day, don't we? Like the Pandora, like sort of like dusk time, or just coming in.
So different.
If you go straight, you can see that's the flight of the, yeah. But there's them weird banshees. I don't like the look of them. They freak me out a little bit, like. So we are now on the side that we haven't seen before. Oh wow, 105 minutes. That's a little bit of a 105 minutes. It's only out now. The standby, which is not. That's actually really good. Oh no, I'm not good. Nah, I'm not standing that long, Teresa. There's just stuff that you can interact with, like all over. I don't know how good this camera's going to go with seeing the colours and everything, all of the stuff. But it's just fab. Yeah, it is really, really good. So I don't know how much of this I'm going to get taped before the battery actually goes. All of the river and everything. All running down in the pods. Everything's like up that way. Well, goodbye and good night, Animal Kingdom. It has been a pleasure. We've enjoyed you the last few times that we've been, haven't we? Yeah, Teresa's impressed with Animal Kingdom, I think. So, bye, Tree of Life. Bye, Tree of Life. We've enjoyed seeing you. Good night and goodbye, Animal Kingdom. Thank you. you. well, you're actually not going to believe this, but we're actually in Magic Kingdom and not Hollywood Studios anymore.
We're busted again, and we're on that, how many parks have we been in?
5. Been in 5 parks today, 20 hotels, and I don't know what else. What's happened is, as we're sitting in Hollywood Studios having some chips and a cuppa and some trees, I was having crisps, I decided to have a look on the app and realised that Happily Ever After was actually 8 o'clock tonight in Magic Kingdom, and tomorrow night it's going to be 11 o'clock because it's Friday and there's extra magic hours on. So we decided it's about 25 to 7 that we're going to bomb it over here on the bus and make it over here for 8 because we can't manage to do 11 tomorrow night. So we are here at Magic Kingdom. That was a total surprise. So we're going to stand here for Happily Ever